Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm gonna be doing an unboxing video and I'm really excited. Sienna's here with me. Okay, first store is this. Okay, so it's this really cute shirt from Kith. Next is Sephora. Oh, shh. I saw that. So I want to try these on, but I don't know. I'm gonna do it in the next video.